Hi car enthusiast, welcome to your own YouTube channel, The Autoverse. Today we're diving into the stunning 2025 Citroën DS21 Coupe, a revival of a classic that's sure to captivate car enthusiasts everywhere. The 2025 Citroën DS21 Coupe takes inspiration from the iconic design of its predecessor while incorporating modern features and cutting-edge technology. The exterior design is a tribute to the original DS, with its signature flowing lines and elegant proportions. The sleek, aerodynamic shape is accentuated by a redesigned front grille and full LED headlights that give it a futuristic edge. The Coupe profile is both sophisticated and sporty, with a low stance and wide, muscular fenders that hint at its powerful performance capabilities. Under the hood, the 2025 DS21 Coupe is equipped with a range of efficient yet powerful engine options. Citroën offers a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine that delivers an impressive balance between power and fuel economy, making it perfect for everyday driving. For those craving more performance, an optional hybrid powertrain is available, combining the best of both worlds with electrified efficiency and robust acceleration. The hybrid version also boasts an electric-only driving mode, perfect for short trips or city driving with zero emissions. Step inside, and the 2025 DS21 Coupe offers a luxurious and high-tech interior. The cabin is designed with premium materials, including soft leather seats and polished metal accents that exude a sense of craftsmanship. The spacious interior is packed with the latest technology, including a fully digital 12-inch driver display and a large touchscreen infotainment system featuring Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The intuitive controls and advanced driver assistance features, such as adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, ensure a comfortable and safe driving experience. In terms of ride quality, the DS21 Coupe is designed to deliver a smooth and refined drive, thanks to Citroën's signature hydraulic pneumatic suspension system. This setup provides an exceptional balance between comfort and handling, making long drives feel effortless. Whether cruising on the highway or navigating city streets, the DS21 Coupe offers a driving experience that's both serene and dynamic. If you're looking for a vehicle that blends classic design with modern innovation, the 2025 Citroën DS21 Coupe is a perfect choice. Let us know in the comments which car you'd like to see us review next. We value your suggestions and look forward to featuring your favorite models in our upcoming videos. Be sure to subscribe to the Autoverse to stay updated on all things automotive, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with more exciting car reviews.